Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello all friends. Today video is going to be a absolutely unique video. I never see any video in YouTube related Tally and Power BI. Both both tools. Okay, Tally data fetch in Power BI and Power BI make a report, or you can say dashboard. Okay, now I open my Power BI tools. We all know that the Power BI is one of the best data analytics tools in visual. Okay, now first thing is that how can we fetch my tally data directly Power BI. There are so many videos that the first tally data you have to convert in SQL database. Then there are online some source coding, or you can say the query. This query you have to write in your SQL database. After that, you can generate report or dashboard in your Power BI. But this video, in this video, you are looking or watching a difference from other than that video. Okay, I don't use any third party application. Okay, just I go through the ODBC driver. We all know the Tally only support the ODBC driver. Okay, so you can see there my recent data source is Tally ODBC driver. Okay, you can see this. Now I go to my Tally software. Open my Tally software. Okay, there is the two companies. The but company is a unique, a single as per PAN number, but were there are so many branches in different state of India. So we, as per accounts rule, we have to maintain branch accounting. Okay, and also the GST purpose. Okay, we know all the sales purchase will be making as per state GSTN number. Okay, in the group of company or group company voucher transfer in Tally, or group company ledger display report, that we have all that I have already made the video. You can, if you want, you can see my previous video. Okay, now now I open my both company. One is Bengal, and another is in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Now I have company CEO or management or owner want to see the consolidated data in a single screen. Sales, all sales with quantity in a single screen. Okay, then there are so many TDL, the tele developer are making the dashboard, but this is not absolutely for your CEO or owner. Okay, the CEO or owner only want to see in the visualization. That is the today's demand, I think. Okay, so I go to my tally data, just I want to a demo that I make a new entry and automatically update in my Power BI report. Okay, just I am making a new sales entry. Okay, just I make entry. Two numbers quantity, I'm making the sales entry. Okay, and total amount is 1,30,476 because I have to prove this updated value included in my Power BI report. Okay, just there are two, three, four, five table. Okay, one is the voucher Bengal, voucher Tamil Nadu sales, Tamil Nadu sales Bengal, and one is the sales of multiple companies. That is the consolidated company sales. Okay, just now I make entry in my Tamil Nadu branch. Okay, so I just update my first. You can see here is the two-wheeler quantity Tamil Nadu 1335. I have make I have made a two numbers of quantity. Okay, so updated and it will be comes in 1337. Okay, now that is the sale amount is 7 lakh, sorry, 7 crore 11 lakhs 23,957, but my sale value update in tally 1,30,476. I think it will be 12 7 crore 12 lakhs 54,000 something. Okay, just I update my voucher Tamil Nadu data. Okay, that is the refresh the data. Okay, now it will comes absolutely that amount 7 crore 12 lakhs 54,443. Okay, now here is the another sheet, or you can say page, the report page. There is the only the two-wheeler quantity sale as a state wise, that is the region wise, south, west, north, central. Okay, now this is not updated. It's a okay, the total quantity still now showing 1983. It will be 1985. Just I update my sales multiple companies data file. Okay, and refresh this data. Just now you can see it is updated with two number of quantities. Okay, now 1985. Now you can see any month. You if I want to this month, you can see all the update in donut chart automatically updated. Okay, it we all know the who are uh, who are know the Power BI. It is by default automatically updated when I go in the column chart any one month. Then it will comes the only that month figures. Okay, now main point is the it is for you or the who prepared the report, but how can you you share your CEO or owner or management this report. Okay, now I publish this updated and save it and publish in online Power BI service. Okay, replace, yes, now it is publishing to Power BI online service. Whenever it will be completed, then I have to open the online Power BI service and sign up to my user ID and password. Okay, now got it. Okay, now I go to, sorry, just I database. I go to the Microsoft Power BI Microsoft.com and sign it. Okay, I have automatically previously signed it. Okay, go to my workspace, open my Tally Power BI report and update the app. This you can say, you can update it app, and you can make a link. Okay, this link you can share in your WhatsApp number, in your CEO or management or colleague WhatsApp number, or you can go to directly go to the app. Just first I go to the WhatsApp. Okay, I sent my colleague to this WhatsApp number. Okay, previously I have already sent it. Okay, so how in your mobile you have to install the Power BI app. Okay, then you can see in your mobile this report automatically. Okay, now you see this in your mobile. That is the 1983 because this link is the previous I have sent to my colleague. Okay, so north is the your green is the south zone and yellow is the west zone. Sales of quantity and sales of value, month wise and region wise. Okay, so my main motive or main object is how can with the tally data or tally data report in Power BI. Okay, so uh, if if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and there is any requirement or in anything you're asking, please comment me. I am always ready to answer to your comment or reply to your comment. Thank you.